Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, reach for your phone, and it feels different, smarter. It suggests exactly what you need before you even think it. Your laptop finishes your work while you sip coffee. Even your car knows where you're going before you say a word. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not. In 2025, a secret AI update is set to roll out across the world. And here's the shocking part. You might never notice it's happening until it's already changed your life forever. But is this the future we've been waiting for, or a trap we can't escape? Welcome back to Smart Learn Hub, where we translate the future of AI into plain English. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because what I'm about to share could affect your job, your privacy, and even the way you think. Let's break down the update nobody's talking about, but everybody will feel. In 2025, four AI giants are battling for dominance. Google's Gemini, OpenAI's GPT-5, Anthropic's Claude, and Meta's Llama. This isn't just about chatbots anymore. Each one is preparing updates that will be deeply woven into your everyday devices. Windows will have Copilot baked into every corner. iPhones will come with AI you can't delete. Android will ship with Gemini running silently in the background. In short, AI won't just be something you use. It'll be something you live inside of. And here's the unnerving twist. You may never be able to turn it off. Think about it. Can you really disable GPS or Wi-Fi today without breaking half your apps? Exactly. This update will make AI a fundamental layer of your operating system. Every search, every message, every app, quietly filtered through algorithms that adapt to you. Seamless, invisible, and completely unavoidable. But invisible doesn't mean harmless. Now, to be fair, the benefits are massive. Emails drafted, reports polished, and schedules organized, all instantly. Playlists, workouts, shopping, and travel, designed perfectly for you. Translate any language in real time. Brainstorm ideas in seconds. Even get coding help without hiring a developer. For many people, this is a dream. A future where your tech works harder so you don't have to. But dreams come with shadows. Every click, every word, every action becomes data, and that data may not just stay on your device. Whole industries could accelerate toward automation and layoffs. And perhaps the biggest risk of all, dependence. If AI becomes the brain of your devices, what happens if it crashes? What happens if companies tighten control or charge for basic features? When you give up control for convenience, who really owns your future? Researchers are already warning about something called the AI lock-in era. This is the moment when a handful of tech giants control almost all digital intelligence, where switching to alternatives becomes nearly impossible. And if this update spreads fast enough, we may already be stepping into that future without even realizing it. So what do you think? Is this secret AI update the dawn of a smarter, more powerful world? Or is it a digital trap, one that locks us in while the companies behind it tighten their grip? On one side, convenience, productivity, personalization. On the other, privacy, jobs, and control. The truth is, history is unfolding right now, and we're all part of it. Drop your thoughts in the comments, because the decision isn't just for tech companies. It's for all of us. Thanks for watching. This is Smart Learn Hub, and I'll see you in the next one.